Welcome everyone. Myself Abhishek Chopra. I'm the founder and CEO of BQP, a dual-use simulation platform startup based out of New York, which is building the picks and shovels for the American dynamism. That is, we are accelerating mission-critical simulations using quantum computing. The most interesting part of what we do is we do quantum computing without quantum computers today. That is, just with quantum math running on existing hardware, we can gain 10x performance improvement. Modeling and simulation is an irreplaceable engineering tool for many mission critical industries, including DoD and Navy, to maintain their technological edge. The current state of simulation technology is lagging, especially in terms of speed and accuracy, as traditional methods are not keeping up with modern computing. To give more context, during my graduate research at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, I was building simulation on legacy codes with Fortran 77 and C. One of my simulation to understand turbulence behind an aircraft tail took 6 months on 250,000 computers running parallelly. This instance made me realize that slow and expensive simulation are a huge problem, and I would like to solve it. My first attempt was with Oak Ridge National Lab at NVIDIA, where I attempted to modernize these legacy codes by bringing them from CPUs to GPUs. The effort concluded with failure to get any performance improvement on even the largest supercomputer of the world, as it was found out that the backend algorithms of these simulation codes were outdated and haven't changed in the past 40 years. This is making modeling and simulation inefficient to solve for increasing complexity and demands of modern defense and industrial engineering problems. This inefficiency leads to longer development cycles and higher cost, impacting mission readiness and operational efficiency. There's a critical need for a more advanced solution that can handle these challenges effectively, especially when we want to stay ahead of our adversaries and bring back home manufacturing onshore. At BQP, we are addressing the needs of the DoD and Navy, as we do not want engineers to choose between time and accuracy. We're solving that problem using BQ Psi, a premier simulation software platform hosting novel mathematical solvers powered by quantum algorithms. BQ Psi, using quantum-inspired solvers, is able to provide 10x performance improvement today on existing hardware, while also working towards the day when quantum computers become industrial scale and gain 100x to 1000x performance improvement in the future. One of our design partners saw a significant improvement with BQ Psi, that was Airbus. For a wing design optimization study, BQ5's quantum-inspired optimization solver compared to the current state-of-the-art solver achieved a 6% lightweight design, which can save airlines $3,000 in fuel cost saving per flight. Not only that, BQ5 achieved this in 1/10 of the time, enabling Airbus to perform 10x more simulations, avoiding rework and iterations, thereby getting the product to the production 1 to 2 years sooner and saving them $1.5 to $2 billion. While the world is relying on the status quo of classical algorithms and others wait for the quantum hardware to mature, we at BQP have found a clever way to use quantum math to showcase the power of quantum today. This differentiation has resulted into early traction and booking about $500,000 in revenue last year. We showcased traction with DoD, including signing a CRADA with AFRL and successful RFI response to DARPA's. This year, we are doubling down our efforts on DoD, including applying for SBIR D2P2s and BAAs. We also successfully completed several POCs and paid pilots with many aerospace and defense manufacturers on the commercial side. We were also were recognized as winners of various startup competitions around the globe and in the US, especially on national security side of things. I founded this startup with my best buddy from undergrad, who bring tons of experience in modeling and simulation from defense sector, including working with technologies like hypersonics. Our team is our greatest asset, comprising of experts in simulation, HPC, quantum computing, enterprise sales, and defense acquisition. With combined experience of over 100 years and numerous scientific publications, we are well equipped to drive this innovation forward, supporting the DoD and Navy's mission-critical needs. The market opportunity is immense with what we are doing, and a growing demand for faster and more accurate simulation in defense and naval application. We are poised to lead this transformation and capture a significant share of the market, ensuring the US remains at the forefront of technological innovation. For that, we have raised recently a 4.5 million prize round, which I'm happy to talk more in detail. Thank you.